This video is going to walk you through the process of registering your child for kindergarten. During the registration process, you will be given a chance to upload documentation that is required for your child to enter school. If you choose to submit electronically, you will need to have it ready to upload when you're completing the form. You will not be able to access the form after submitting it. If you choose not to upload when submitting the form, you will need to provide the required documentation directly to the school site. Required documentation for registering your child includes a birth certificate, a physical form, an immunization record, address verification that can include a water or electric bill within 30 days, your current signed lease, or your tax bill showing your homestead exemption. You can also upload custody documents if applicable. Let's get started. You can register from any computer or phone with the Google Chrome web browser. Start by opening Google Chrome. We're going to start by going to the Sarasota County Schools homepage. To do that, you can type in sarasotacountyschools.net. Once you're on the Sarasota County Schools webpage, click Find It Fast. From there, click Register Your Child. Use your scroll bar to scroll down. When registering your child, you will be asked what school your child will be attending. This is based on your home address. If you are unsure what your districted school is, you can use the Find Your Attendance Zone link listed under Step 1. Once you know your districted school, you are able to move on to Step 2. If you have trouble using the Find Your Attendance Zone link, you can contact the Sarasota County Schools District Office for support. Once you know your child's districted school, you are ready to move on to Step 2. Scroll down to below where it says First-Time Students. This form can be filled out in English or Spanish. Click the link to begin. If you are new to the Sarasota County Schools District, you can click Create Account. Here you can create an account for yourself by typing in your information, including your first name, last name, phone number, and email address. Then create a password and fill out the security questions to be able to retrieve your account if needed. Once you've filled in the account information, you can click Create Account. Once you log into your account, you'll see where it says Add Student. Here you'll type in the first name, last name, and date of birth of your student that you're registering. When you've entered that information, you can click Add Student. Now you will begin the form to register your student for the new school year. You can click Next to begin the form. As you work your way through the form, be sure to fill out all required fields. Even if the answer is no, be sure to put that into the box. You'll continue clicking the Next box after each form page to continue working your way through the form. When you get to the Family section, you will enter information for parents or legal guardians. The first parent or legal guardian who enters their information here will be the same parent that will be expected to sign at the end of this form. If you get an error on the signature page, it's because the first parent who was entered here was not the parent who tried to sign at the end. When you get to the required documents for registration field, you are able to upload the documents needed for your registration. When you get to the summary page, if you have any missing fields, there will be a red alert for you. You can click that red alert and it will take you back to the page for you to enter that information. When you've corrected that, you can go back to the summary page and continue correcting anything you may have missed along the way. When you have completed this form, the summary page will have green in the status all the way down, and you will be able to submit the document. After you submit the registration form, you will get a confirmation that it is complete, and you will be able to print this for your records if you would like.